as food for body, book is for mind. A good book not only improves our communication skill but also updates our attitude towards life. In this era where communication is such an important skill, we all know the importance of reading books. Hello, this is Alia Deshmukh and I welcome you to Teacher Tycoon. Here I make videos on teaching and lifestyle. Today's video is all about the books that I'm going to read this year 2022. I have made an intention of reading at least 7 books. These all books are aligned with my goals, which will help me to reach my goals. All these books that I have selected to read these books, I have not read them yet. So a lot of research of book reviews has been done. So on that basis, I share with you all which books I have selected and why I have selected those books. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. The first book that I have selected to read out this year is Who Will Cry When You Die? Interesting title, isn't it? Who Will Cry When You Die? Yeah, it's a self-help book written by an international author, Robin Sharma. The book is divided into 101 chapters, like 101 chapters, and each chapter has something to learn from it. Robin Sharma has written this book in a very simple language. The reason why I have selected this book, first, it's a self-help book. Second thing, it's a very small book. You can see it is so easy to carry in the purse also. Very easy, and it is a very short book. It has only 225 pages. And to be frank, I have started this book and I have almost completed 42 chapters of this book. The book is to the point, crisp and best. You can really start with this book for this year. Most probably, I will be completing this book by January. Let's see. The next book that I've chose for this year is The Atomic Habits. It is said to be a gem for the people who want to change their life for their betterment. The author, James Clear, explains in the book how a person can improve daily even if he improves by 1%, only by 1%. Interesting, isn't it? So one of my goals of this year is to be a better person than I was the last year. So it definitely aligns with my goal. So I am really into making good habits, breaking the bad ones. So I really want to read this book. As I'm a teacher, I will also try whatever information that I'm getting through these books. I will share it with my children in the school, with my students in the school. And at this age, I want them to improve. I want them to be a better person. With this, let's go on a third book. The third book that I'm planning to read this year is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. As I want to learn more about the mysterious power of our subconscious mind, I have chose this book. Before selecting this book, I have actually reviewed many YouTube channels, the people who give reviews of books. Many of them say that this book is best to read before sleeping. So I am going to add this book into my daily night routines, where I am going to read, where I will be adding initially only one paragraph per night, and gradually I'll add it to one page or one chapter. Let's see. But for now, I will only read one paragraph and try to understand whatever I have read. So let's see how much this book is going to help me. The fourth book that I'm planning to read is Ikagi. It's a Japanese book. The word Ikagi means a reason for being. Why are we on this earth? What's our motive? What makes us happy? Makes you happy? To answer all these questions, it is said that you can read this book. This book has a proven formula for all these questions. I really want to be at peace for this year and coming years. So definitely I am going to read this book and going to learn from this book. The fifth book that I've planned to read is a novel. It's a story of human emotions, human suffering and how the person, the main character in the story, cope up with all this. The book is written by Priti Shenoy. She is one of the best-selling authors of India. Frankly, I have always loved reading storybooks, and here I am getting a story of hope and I'll also learn if we are determined in our life, we can overcome our destiny. So it's a great book to read with a fun and with the joy of a story in it. So I'm definitely looking forward to read this book as soon as I can. The sixth book that I have selected for reading is The Rich Dad and the Poor Dad. One of my goals of 2022 is to be mindful, especially related to finance. And honestly, I never cared about money as I was always blessed with people to look after that. But this year, I want to change that. I want to take a little bit more responsibility and to learn about money, to learn about the transactions, to learn about how to do investments and all. So which could be the best book for that? Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That's the main intention for me to read this book. To learn about the money issues and to learn about business. So I guess this book will be the best book. The seventh book that I'm planning to read this year is Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. With the title itself, we can know this is a health related book. It is written by India's one of the most famous dietitian, Revekar. I personally admire her. I follow her on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. I just love the way she explains food, the environment, the importance of being local. I really love her and I really am a big fan of her. One of my goals of this year is to be more healthier, and I think this book will act as a guide throughout that journey. So definitely I'm going to read this book and use it as a guide for my journey. So these are the all 7 books that I'm planning to read this year. If you are also planning to read some books, let it be 1, 2 or any number. Kindly mention that in the comment section below. I will love to read your comments, whoever is watching this video up till now. If you have observed, basically all the books are self-help book. So my aim to read this book is not only for the sake of reading, but also to implement all knowledge I have gained from this book. So that's the major aim behind reading these books. So whenever you're reading something, make sure that you implement that in your real life and see how your life will change. While reading this book, if I find something really very interesting, I will share it on my Instagram profile. For that, you have to be connected with me. So I will love that you follow me on my Instagram as well. Till then, all my lovely people, be home, be safe, keep reading. Bye.